everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to create for you a layout with our new Rainforest Retreat collection. It's a beautiful, vibrant collection. I have been busy, as you can see here, fussy cutting a whole bunch of pieces to be able to make this with. I've got these two cute little photos of Pearl dressing up in her little lion blanket, and I'm going to get started in making this layout. Okay, so I've got these two photos and I think I'm going to kind of overlap them like this maybe and bring these two together. Let's have a look. What do we got? So this layout I'm doing, I'm literally just using the elements I've fussy cut out. I don't have any of the creative cuts or anything like that. This is just fussy cut, just showing you what you can achieve just by using the kit. Fussy cutting out the elements. I might add in some of the washi and some of the stickers because they're super cute, and see what I can come up with. I'm going to be brave and put my photos down first. I never do that. So I'm going to put this one down first. I think I'm going to put this one a bit of an angle, and that's not me. I normally like very straight lines, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, now I'm going to create some layers using all of the foliage that I fussy cut out of the papers. There's a whole paper of fussy cut leaves, so they were begging to be fussy cut. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of lay my foliage out first. Well, you're kind of cute. Just to get a bit of an idea of which way I want to go. Oh yeah, I like these. They're nice down here. Maybe I'll put this one down here too, so we've got them all going the right angle. So this whole collection is based on like an Australian rainforest feel. All our friends in tropical North Queensland, they're feeling your vibe. We are very envious. Right, I'm going to start gluing some of these foliage down, and then I'll come back around and fill in with some other. I don't know if I want to go under the photo or over the photo. I'm undecided. Under it is. I don't know about that guy. I think he's facing the wrong way. I need to find one. This one can hang over a little bit. Going to glue some of this foliage down the bottom now. Nice. Okay, now we need some cute little flowers. That's it. These kind of, look, I'm from Adelaide. We don't have tropical rainforest here, so I don't really know which ones go where. So I'm just going to make it look pretty. And pop the flowers where I think they look cute. 2 circles on this one. So much colour. Who gets scared of colour? Me. Raise my hand. So it is unusual that I like this collection so much, but it is just so pretty. And I hope that you guys aren't too scared by it. I'm going to see lots of fun day trip type layouts created with this. Day trips to the zoo, you know, that sort of thing. Adventuring. I do like this guy over here. He's kind of cute. Which means I could put a title over here. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Do I want him raised? Let's find out. Do I? Yeah, I do want him raised. I do remember seeing these when I went to Cairns. It was in the like gardens there. I found them very fascinating. Yeah, that's cute. Is this the good title? Kind of sad. So this actually is the one that came with the advent kit last year with the file folder die, and I took it down to work because we were using it down there recently, and I've left it there, so I don't want to go all the way down there, so I'm just gonna cut it out with my scissors. Adventure. These cute words I cut off the bottom of this cut apart sheet. Okay, I want one more. Perfect, maybe. Oh, I haven't used this grey. Let me try the grey. Yeah, I think I like that. To raise this up or not to raise it up? That's my next question. No. Oh, I'm gonna go with yes. I'm easily swayed, aren't I? I'm just gonna stand up to get them all nice and straight. I'm love washi, and I'm trying to not just be a collector of washi and an actual user of washi, because I do have a tendency to collect the stuff and not use it. I think we're done. I think I'm happy with that. You guys like it? Nice, beautiful, bright, happy layout of Pearl going on an adventure in her little lion costume. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to do another video now. I'm going to create a watercolor background, and I'm going to create a second layout with this collection. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.